up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have my November mystery bag of awesome. So I will be getting back to the shoe videos probably starting in January. I want to do it in December, but we'll just have to see how realistic that is, especially since I took on another craft show for the month of December. So I most likely won't start posting shoe videos until after the first of the year. I have to be realistic about what I probably can get done, and I just don't think that is something I can work back into my rotation until next year, but we'll see what happens. So that's why I'm going to go ahead and show you this unboxing in this video instead of shoes. And I know you guys want to see the shoes, and I promise you they are coming back, but those are some of the videos that take the longest for me to film and do. So that's why I haven't been doing them, because I just don't have the time. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump into what I got in the November mystery bag of awesome. Okay, guys, so here's my bag. I'm not going to throw it up because it's very awkward. Not really sure what's in here. We know this one's usually not very awesome, but I gotta say last month wasn't bad. So we'll have to see. This one is $9.99 a month, and I will have a link to their website in the description box below should you be interested in getting this bag. They also have a bigger version of it. I just haven't gotten it yet because I haven't been getting good stuff in the small bag. So why would I get the bigger one? I'm just saying. All right, guys, let's go ahead and dig in here. They always include this super fun, and this is usually always the best thing in the bag. It's like a activities thing. It's got like a word search and then things you can do down here. It's great to do with kids, you know what I mean? And then they have this stuff on the back. I do this every single time because I have a lot of fun doing this with my son. And you know what? Even if I didn't have him to do this with, I would probably still do it by myself. I'm just saying. I find this kind of stuff fun. And then once I do it, I just throw it away. You know, whatever. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, we got some socks. Oh, wow. These are Rugrats socks. Now that's kind of awesome. I'm just saying. Look at that, guys. Oh, they're so cute. Here, it looks like I have them upside down, though. There you go. Oh, my gosh, they are so cute. I'm down, guys. I'm down for the Rugrats socks. That's pretty cool. All right, that's not bad. Ooh, what's this? We have retinol eye makeup remover pads. Oh, that's pretty awesome. I'm just saying, I can use some stuff like this. Helps to minimize wrinkles and restore pH. I'm down. You get 80 pads and this little thing. They don't give you values or anything like that. Now, this is kind of a strange thing for them to put in here. It's more like a beauty box kind of a thing. But honestly, I'm not mad to have these at all. So I'm pretty excited about that. All right, what's the last item? It's always 3 items, guys. Ooh, Cepacol Extra Strength Sore Throat Lozenges. Ooh, this one's a tangerine flavor. All right, guys, I do use these, and they are very good, you know, when I have a sore throat. So obviously I don't have to go out and buy any right away because I have this one. So it's awesome that they sent them to me, but I don't know how exciting it is to get in a little mystery bag. But honestly, guys, I like all 3 things I got this time, including the word search. I'm just saying. So that's not bad. All right, guys, this was my November mystery bag of awesome. And again, this one is $9.99 a month, and I'll have a link to their website in the description box below. That's all I got for you guys in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!